Okay, it's getting a bit out of hand. I found a set of metric. Well, it's actually two sets, but I've combined them. Luckily, this is called Satin finish. So luckily, they were pretty similar. So I have 6 millimeter all the way to 32, with a couple missing in between, but I'm not going to buy them, but I'll buy a 19 and I'll try to find a 15. So if you have a 15 or a 19, I'd be interested in that, but like 32, 29, 27, 24, 23, 22, 21, no 20 though. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, no 8, 7, 6. It's a nice set.